Performance beef has definitely reduced the amount of time I spend at home working on feed rations, and it used to be that somebody would call up and say that there's a load of cattle on the way, and then I'd have to go home at the end of a long day, pull up that Excel spreadsheet, manipulate all the numbers to make the feed loads right for the next day. And now I can make the change within the app. I can put what pen they went in, I can put what ration I want them to go on, I can put what load that pen goes on, I can put number of pounds per head, and it automatically within 2 minutes, that stuff's all calculated in the app, ready to feed the next day. And I go home, eat dinner, and spend time with the family. I don't have to do all that stuff anymore.